Greetings to all, and I must say Merry Christmas. Christmas around the corner. I think it's a pleasure to be here with you to launch your Light of the World campaign. Invited guests, greetings once again. And like I said, it's a pleasure for me to be here this afternoon. And at the outset, I'd like to thank the Church of Latter-day Saints for inviting me. And I'm very happy to be able to join you on the beginning of this year's festive season. I have, on numerous occasions, participated in your events and as my previous portfolio, and I look forward to working with the church in making sure that we make a difference in the lives of those who are underprivileged. One of my favorite words, and I really believe in that, is compassion. And Christmas is that time of the year when we all bring out the compassion we have in us for our people, especially the ones who may be less fortunate than us, the sick, the elderly. And of course, I'm sure that you being here this afternoon is a sign of the love and compassion that you have for your professions, for your families, and for your church members. Please continue to do that. I think we are all aware that the Latter-day Saints Church is going to launch the annual Light the World Christmas initiative in an effort to light the world with love, and which is your theme for this year. I just love it. It's so original and unique perspective this initiative is bringing to us and promoting on how we can apply the Christmas story in our daily lives. So on behalf of the Fijian government, I applaud this initiative, and I bring you to all the greetings of our Prime Minister who is currently in a Parliament session. Ladies and gentlemen, most, if not all of us, are part of a faith. And every faith has the same bottom line: love, peace, kindness, and forgiveness. And that is very important for us to embrace that in our daily lives as well. I mean, too often we are caught up in the rules of the faith, but events like this are a perfect reminder that following the rules of our faith has so much more to it. We ought to focus on the greater good of these rules and what they aim to achieve for all our people. This Christmas season and any Christmas season is the time of the year when all of us look forward, no matter what background we come from. It's the festival that everybody looks forward to celebrating. The festivities, the color, the food, the Christmas carols, and of course the Christmas presents, etc. And I think it is such a joyous time, and we like to celebrate it with our loved ones. But in true essence, our happiness increases when we share with others. And that's what I'd like to say to you. Please share your happiness, your joy, whatever little you have with those around you, the needy ones, the families, the elderly, the sick. And I'm sure that will bring you more inner peace. And I urge everyone to do that, so that we are able to brighten up the lives of those who may be having some darknesses, some bad periods going on, some challenges going on. And we also remember the birth of Christ this Christmas season. Let us also remember the exemplary life that Jesus Christ lived. For a little girl, my dad used to take us to Sunday school, and we used to go to, my dad was a converted Christian, so we used to go to a lot of the Sunday schools, and the teachings of our Sunday school teachers and the hymns we used to sing. So I have a little bit of Christian in me as well, and so sometimes it's very difficult to tell people what faith I belong to. I think I belong to humanity. I have a bit of Islam in me, a bit of Christian in me, so I blend in well everywhere. So as we remember the birth of Jesus Christ, please remember that when we celebrate any festivals, the lessons that we learn from the life of our Savior, and it's important that we practice it. So we must hold up the teachings of faith, especially the one, love your neighbor, to love our neighbors, by lifting those who are down, by helping fulfill the dreams of those who are finding it difficult to do that, and comforting those that we have hurt or those that are hurting. It's very important. And so I invite everybody everywhere to join the LDS Church in celebrating His birth, the birth of our Christ, and to light up the world with love. A calendar filled with service ideas is available online, I've been told. Please go to that. The daily program started on Giving Tuesday, November 30th. and will continue for the next 26 days leading up to Christmas Day. There will also be a new children's calendar that will make ideas fun and accessible to even the youngest participants. Ladies and gentlemen, we are surrounded with people. We are surrounded by people. And these are the people who need our help. Our elders, like I said, our persons with disabilities, and our children who are living in poverty, families who are living in poverty. The little that we can give to make a difference in their lives should be our message this Christmas. And especially with the year being not so good, with COVID posing so much challenge on us, families losing their jobs and their loved ones, etc. The danger hasn't gone out yet. Families are still suffering. So this Christmas, let's do all that we can do to bring a smile to somebody's face. While the government has been doing its part to support families that lost their livelihoods as a nation and as members of the same community, I think holding each other's hand, helping each other out is everyone's responsibility. So I urge everyone to open their hearts a little wider, make your hearts a bit tighter, and let the joys of Christmas fill our hearts. And let's not light up Fiji alone, let's light our homes and of course light up the whole world with our prayers, our charity, our love, our behavior and our attitudes. And let's connect the dots between the life of our Christ and of course with our actions. That's very important. So once again, let me congratulate the Church of the Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints on the launch of this initiative. And I'd like to wish everyone a very, very Merry Christmas and a very, very happy 2020. God bless you all. Thank
One more. We wish you
a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
One, two, three, Merry Christmas!